Hello everyone, this is Johnny from Natural Polishing Concrete. Today we're going to be doing a grind and seal. It's about 1,000 square feet. So once I get there, I'm going to show you guys. So let's go and start with this video. Alright, so this is the place that we're going to be doing 28. So this is what we're going to be working on. Just pretty straightforward. So we're just gonna get everything unloaded and get started. We're done for today. Time to go home. But just a little recap, just to tell you guys where we're at right now with the floor. We started with the 30 grit metal. Right after we finished with that, we did the edges with the 30 grit 7-inch cob wheel, and we continue with the machine on. We put a 70 grit metal, and also on the edges we did 50 ceramic. So that's where we're at right now. We got to come back tomorrow, vacuum the floor and seal, and do a little bit stain because the customer wants a little bit stain some of the steps. Just have in mind, this is only a grind and seal. This is not a polished concrete. So you guys gonna see the finished product tomorrow. Hello everyone, we're back. So we just got a vacuum and fix these areas here. There's about 1 or 2 holes that we had to fix. You guys can see there. This one here, a few here. So that's what we're gonna do, fix those areas. Also, what we're gonna do here, the customer wants us to stain these 3 little lines here. So these 3 little lines, we're gonna put black stain here, there, and the one on top. We just finished putting this tape right here, so we're ready to apply the stain.
So we have it here. We're just gonna start applying this stain right here, like I said before. Here are the steps with the black stain. And here's some of the patches that we patched there. Those were there before. So that's it, pretty much, that's it. The sealer we put, we use a very low gloss sealer, almost like a natural look. It still has some sort of like a little sheen to it, but that's the lowest.
The job has been completed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, put a thumbs up. Also try to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload a video you guys get notified. If you guys interested in about the work that I do and information that I'm going to be providing to you guys on the future. So that's it, I'm out.